For this video start, this is a Miraculous Tales Libra in Cut Noir. This is pictures of Ladybug, well, hashtag Marina and Adrian together. I hope you like this video. See you in 1 minute. They will come out. And this next thing you're about to see is a little video of Marina and Adrian. And this is really exciting news, and if Marina and Adrian, the cast, actually watch this video, I think you might be a bit surprised. Oh, and Adrian, oh, so Marina is just a friend? I don't think so. Just a friend? Enjoy. Adrian, what, Marina? I'm pregnant. What? Yeah, I'm pregnant. I understand if you want to leave me or anything. Why would I leave you? Cute. Shut up. Puppy. Woof. Oh, come on. What? I haven't done that in freaking years. Shut up. Make me. If your tail is wagging, that means you obviously like it. Shut up. Make me. Alright, fine. I will. Okay, here's 2 more pictures and then the video's over. Okay, so that was the end of those pictures of Marina and Adrian in a little video. If you want to see another video on one of these, I hope you comment down below. If the comments are turned off, that's completely okay because I can do it anyway. But yeah, or it depends how many likes I get. Let's say 50 likes and I'll do it. And if you subscribe, then I'll do 2 videos a day. Or 3 videos a day. Well, anyways, I gotta go. See ya.